Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Let's upgrade my seatbelts from black to red. Let's go. Let's start off by removing all four seats and the interior trim panels for easier access. Using a Torx bit, remove the seat bolts to gain access to the electrical connections. Don't forget to disconnect the battery for safe removal of electrical connections. Now you guys get to watch me struggle on removing the seat from the car by myself, as it probably weighed about 15 kgs. In the future, I'd love to do a weight shed with the Cupra. It was not necessary to remove the back seat since I thought it was required to get to the seatbelts. It was still cool to see the car gutted of its interior. Removing the trimmings now gave me access to the seatbelt mechanisms. I used the sharp side of my pliers to lift up the tab for the safety connector.